So today we are going, hi everyone, today we are going to see a line graph here, a line graph which describes the pattern of fast food consumption by the teenagers in Mauritius from 1985 to 2015. So a point is there, the beginning, the starting point, 1985, and the end point, 2015. So from this point to this point, we have some sorts of differences in the consumption of fast food by the Mauritian adolescents, that's the teenagers. And now the consumption is marked by the number of times eaten per year. So I have to say that it is a year, how many times an adolescent ate this particular food. See, for example, an average adult ate 60 times pizza, 60 times they ate in 1985, but when it comes to 2015, so it was only 10 pizzas number of times. 10 times they ate pizzas in 2015. So we can say that is the number of times they ate this thing. So let's see from the beginning here, the consumption pattern of 3 types of fast food by the adolescents in Mauritius between 1985 and 2015 is illustrated in the given graph. So 3 types of fast food by the adolescents in Mauritius. Which are the 3 types of fast food? I have not mentioned anything in the introduction. That is pizza, hamburger, and fried chicken. I have not mentioned anything there, because I am going to explain this thing in the coming paragraph. So we don't need to explain that. So from what is the starting point, that is in 1985, and what is the ending point, that is in 2015. And overall, it's clear that the pattern of consumption was inversely proportional in case of pizza and hamburgers. In case of pizza and hamburgers, it was inversely proportional. You can see the line going down like a cross. It's almost inversely proportional there. With the latter increasing its popularity along with fried chicken. Latter is hamburgers, it is increasing its popularity along with fried chicken. So this is what we have seen there. As per the chart, pizza was the most favorite fast food among the Mauritian teenagers in 1985. So in 1985, we can see that pizza was the most favorite fast food. You can see that here it was eaten 60 times per year. When this food was eaten 60 times, okay, now I have to add something here. When this food was eaten 60 times, so when this food was eaten 60 times per person in that year, on an average, when this food was eaten 60 times per person in that year, just 5 minutes. On an average, when this food was eaten 60 times per person in that year, the frequency of consumption of the other 2 varieties, hamburgers and fried chicken, was 10 and 5 respectively. So it was 10 and 5 respectively. It is to be noted that when the number of times adolescents in Mauritius ate pizza started declining from 1985, their preference to other foods grew. Other two foods grew. And in 2000, the consumption rate was recorded somewhere near 40. When pizza consumption continued to decline, yes, hamburgers preference went up steadily. You can see that. By 2015, the frequency of its consumption was marked at 70. Whereas in the case of fried chicken, it was just over 60. Despite some fluctuations in between, we have said some fluctuations in between here. So that's it. We have completed. This is a simple chart. We have not marked all the data here. So we have data of 85, 90, 95, 2000, 25, 2010, and 2015. I have not marked all the thing. I have marked here one and here one, and I have here one. 3 specific points I have marked because I have something specific starting point. Anyway, I have to mention then what was the trend up to a point here. Somewhere we have a merging point. So we have a merging point somewhere here. So what is happening in between that we have mentioned, and what is happening after this merging point? Yes, that was mentioned here. So it is quite clear, simple, and we could write this particular task one in not less than 160 to 170 words. That's it. And the tense we use this simple past tense, and don't confuse with this particular thing. That is, it is to be noted, that is. It is clear, that is. We are noting. For us, it is clear. For the reader, it is clear. For the reader, he cannot. Okay. So is illustrated. So for the reader and the writer, it is. So what is happening, that is said in the past. Thank you.